I'm Dr. Virender Sarwal. I've joined here as a director and head of cardiovascular and thoracic surgery. Having worked in Tri-City for the last 18 years, we have brought up cardiac surgery to a different level, which involves a personalized care, and we call this concept as a boutique concept for the cardiac surgery. The benefit of this concept is that you avail of very personalized services where you get to meet the senior most consultant, that's me and my team personally for each and everything during your stay or surgeries with us. The department has been built up with the latest technology, with the latest updated monitors for monitoring in the OT and the ICUs, with the latest gadgets which help you or recover from surgery or help us in the surgery, and we can take up any kind of challenges which can be high risk or which can be normal risk. We started a month back and already we have churned out around 15 patients from our department, which included about 7 surgical cases, and there were few angiographies and angioplasties and ICU admissions. And I am very proud to say that the team is working very hard and all the patients we could send home very well in healthy condition. With me and my team, we are geared up to take up any kind of heart surgery patients, which includes the adults where you need a bypass surgery or valve replacement surgery, and mixed kind of where we require both the surgery. The team is very expert in handling the high risk situations, which includes the very badly damaged hearts or damaged hearts with the valve leakages, where we do both procedures. And we are also skilled in pediatric work, like babies which are 10 kgs and 1 year above. We can take these patients who have a hole in the heart or who have blue baby syndromes or who have other congenital problems here very well, and we are very well equipped both in the OT as well as in the ICU. Along with that, department is equipped to do the vascular surgery work, which is peripheral vascular disease, especially in the smokers when the arteries in the legs get blocked. We do lung surgeries where the lungs are damaged because of tuberculosis or because of cancer. So we can do lung resections by thoracotomy. So that also facility is also available here. With me, we have an associate consultant, and we have a very experienced head of the cardiac industry as Dr. Ajay Sinha, and the whole team in the ICU is very trained. And we hope to deliver a different level of surgeries of heart surgery in Tri-City in the next coming years and coming time. And I can assure you, having delivered best of services in both the corporate hospitals in Mohali and in Panchkula, and all 4 hospitals have been started, all the heart surgery programs have been started by me there only. And by setting up those standards, we want to bring it to the next level. And when I say to the next level, in the coming time, we'll be coming up with the new techniques, which is a small incision surgery, which is MICS, which will be bringing it here on a full-fledged platform. And along with that, heart failure surgeries, that is giving a left ventricular assist device for the time being till one wants to go for a heart transplant. You know that heart transplant is picking up very fast in the country and hearts are available now. And that is one arena we will be providing, and will be catering to the people of Tri-City on a bigger scale. So having said that, we along with that, we have a very good backed up cardiology department where we can do all kind of procedures. And I'm very happy to say and add here that we have a multi-specialty setup where all other medical disciplines are available round the clock. And if any patient, because these days the complexity of the bypass surgery patients or the valve replacement patients is quite high, so they may need other disciplines to cater to them, and we have all that available in the house only, and we can request them anytime and they can give a consultation on us and assist us in carrying out the surgeries in a very successful manner. So I hope I'll be coming back to you again in the next few days on various topics, how the heart surgeries are done these days and how pediatric surgeries are done these days, and how we have made them special for you in the way that post-COVID we need a lot of precautions, so we are all geared up for that. So I wish you good health and be safe in these difficult times, and I hope that things will be fine if we maintain the proper precautions. Thank you.